Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. You need to click on them and then scroll down. So we need to find product tutorial. In about we have it, so just click at this line, and right here we have user manual. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.